G'day guys, we are here and it's a very special day because this is the biggest giveaway we've ever done in our life. We are giving away one lucky person a flight and accommodation package to come and stay with us in Australia for 1 week. The winner will be drawn on New Year's Eve, and the only way you can get an entry into it is if you buy this.
And if you've already bought one, you're already in the running to win.
The MMT Calendar. Let's have a flick through, Ninja. What are we going to see here?
Oh,
very good, very good.
Bahak, you're finally...
Look
Look at that, you even got me in there.
So this is the biggest giveaway we've ever done. We're super pumped about it. We've run a lot of immersion experiences before for either body workers who are training off us or athletes, but this is the chance that we can give back to you guys. The value of this is 10,000 Australian dollars. So heaps of value. You get to spend all week with us four guys. You actually get to stay at Ninja's house in his brand new Airbnb up in the Dandenongs in Alinda. It's just absolutely incredible. And if you're from Melbourne, you actually can opt for a different package. You can actually get a year's supply of massage done at our practice. So that equates to one 60-minute massage a week for the whole year. So 52 weeks. Just imagine how bloody good your body will feel, okay? So you might be a fan of us to come and stay with us for a week, or you might have been watching us for a long time and actually have a lot of problems yourself. You might have chronic pain, you might be struggling with your body. This is your chance to actually come and get fixed. This is life-changing stuff. So $10,000 of value, flight and accommodation package to Australia. I'm pumped, I'm excited. Are you pumped, Ninj?
Yeah.
We're bloody pumped up.
It's cool. Yeah, we look forward to doing it. We love doing this stuff. It's our bread and butter. We just love helping people, hosting people. It's just what we do. So yeah.
We can't wait to help you, whoever you are, the lucky winner out there.
Yeah. So we're actually going to draw it on New Year's Day here. So it'll be New Year's Eve in most of the world. So that'll be a pretty big bloody special day. So to buy a calendar, there'll be a link in the description below. There might be some cards here too, whatever the great man Leo puts up. But yeah, like Jay said before, the more you buy, the more chance you have to win. If you buy 10 calendars, you got 10 entries into the draw, all right? So yeah, we're bloody pumped.
Look forward to it, guys.
Yeah, and just to add in, like, we're going to just take you around Melbourne, just to the beach, to Phillip Island, to see kangaroos,
team
koalas,
meetings,
things like
come
that.
to team meetings.
Maybe a team meeting. Just
treatments,
all around Mount Dandenong, which is where I live. So it's really diverse forest, really interesting. But we can also do stuff like personal development type stuff. All the stuff you've probably seen us do in our meetings. Goal setting, values determination, that kind of stuff. We can get you onto the biohacks that we do. You know, the barefoot, the sunlight, breath work,
sprinting, lifting.
Could be a full
sauna.
health overhaul, couldn't it?
Yeah, literally. Yeah, that's what we want it to be. But we'll tailor it to you. If you just want to have more of a holiday, we can accommodate that too. So don't feel like you're locked into anything. We can kind of work on the fly, but you get us four for the whole week and you get to stay at Ninja's house.
Yeah.
How good's that?
Yeah, cool. Immersion.
Full immersion.
Yeah, eat, breathe and...
Breathe!
but not sleep with us.
If you're lucky. Thanks guys. See ya.
Done.